this is our hardware setup. We are using an Arduino Mega for data acquisition. Here is the main PCB board of our circuit. This one is the potential transformer and this one is a Hall effect current sensor. The load is controlled by the Arduino board through this relay breakout board, and we are using lamp board as our load. The lamps include tungsten bulbs and popular CFL bulbs. We are using the DC supply for relay control and this adapter for adding DC offset to the main voltage for data acquisition. And also we need a laptop or desktop PC for the communication to work. Here our objective is stated again. Our objective is to design a real-time AC energy meter which is interfaced with a laptop or PC through an Arduino board. The circuit also provides option for load current control. A MATLAB GUI is developed so that user can handle this easily. When the MATLAB code is run, it prompts the user for two inputs. First input is the limiting current value. MATLAB will command Arduino to cut off the relay if load current value exceeds this specified value. The second input is the minimum cutoff time. The time Arduino will keep the load off. After giving the value and then after pressing OK, data acquisition will get started. For the demonstration, I am providing the cutoff current is 1.2 ampere and cutoff time is 10 seconds. Here the data acquisition has already started. The voltage wave shape and current wave shape are being plotted. Here as load, an AC CFL bulb is used. Now as load, we are using two tungsten bulbs and two loads are taking approximately 0.9 ampere current, which is shown in the multimeter, and in the command window the current RMS is set approximately 0.86 ampere. Now if we switch on the CFL light, let's see what happens. As we know, CFL has harmonics in its current wave shape, which degrades the power factor. This will be also evident from the power factor value shown in the command window. The power factor is shown approximately 0.6376. Now, if I again switch on the tungsten bulb, the power factor will improve as it is a resistive load. The improvement of power factor will be displayed in the command window. As 200 samples are required for the calculation, it requires some time to display the calculated value. Now the power factor is shown 0.9587. if we calculate the frequency of our main line in our country is approximately 48 to 52 hertz. Now the frequency is shown approximately 51.346 hertz. Now it is 48.611 hertz. Now we are putting a multimeter in frequency metering mode. It is shown 49.98 hertz, which is close to the calculated value by MATLAB. Now to remember, I have already set the cutoff current value to 1.2 ampere. Now if I turn on the last load, the current is seen at 1.4 ampere. So the load has get cut off and it will wait 10 seconds to get on. The process repeated as I hadn't switched off any load. Now if I switch off two loads, the load has become on and it won't cut off because the current is below under its rating value. The average power is now shown 56 watt. Here I am using two loads. One is a 40 watt tungsten bulb and another one is approximately a 20 watt CFL, which equals to 60 watt.